Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock a Ford Fiesta music system. Many Ford Fiesta owners encounter a locked radio display after a battery change or power interruption. This security feature prevents unauthorized use, but it can be frustrating when you just want to listen to your favorite tunes. We'll guide you through the simple steps to retrieve and enter your unique 4-digit code, getting your audio system back up and running smoothly. The first step is to locate your radio's unique security code. This code is often found on a security card within your owner's manual or vehicle documents. If it's not there, you'll need your radio's serial number. For many 6000 CD models, turn on the radio and hold buttons 1 and 6 for a few seconds to display the serial. For 4500 RDS models, try holding buttons 2 and 6. The serial number typically begins with M or V, followed by 6 digits. Once you have your 4-digit code, entering it is straightforward. Turn on your radio and wait for code or enter code to appear on the display. To input the first digit, press button 1 the corresponding number of times. For example, press it 4 times for the digit 4. Repeat this process for the second, third, and fourth digits using buttons 2, 3, and 4 respectively. Finally, confirm your entry by pressing button 5 or the asterisk button for Sony models. If your radio doesn't unlock, avoid entering incorrect codes multiple times, as this can cause the unit to lock completely, sometimes displaying locked 10. If this happens, try holding button 6 for 10 seconds to reset it, which may grant 3 more attempts. If you're still having trouble, double-check your serial number and the code you obtained. For persistent issues, contacting a Ford-authorized dealer or a car audio specialist is recommended. They can often retrieve or reset the code for a small fee, typically around $15 to $20.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.